As promised, in this year 2020, I am going to start a session on accounting, finance and accounting. So today is the first video, so I am going to start that. And before that, let me give a brief background who is new to this channel. And so my name is Balakrishna. You are watching Bala Online YouTube channel. So I just recently started this with the US visa help, but I gradually want to help students and working professionals in finance and accounting. So my background is now I am working for a top-notch company as a senior management, and my qualification is master is MCom, master is commerce, and MBA finance and ICAA. Okay, ICAA inter, sorry, to be very specific, and have over the decade, more than a decade of experience in finance and accounting, my dear friend. So let's start off. So today to start off, let's go basic with this basic. So maybe I'm starting and targeting with the students. Then gradually, when the sessions go on, a lot of episode, then I will be targeting the entry level professionals. Then gradually to the middle management and the top level. Top level, I mean to say not the managerial level. I would say SME level, nothing but who are doing a lot of analysis and balance sheet finalization and a lot of things. Okay. So today let's start this simple thing, debit and credit. Before that, as a student, you would like to know accounting. What is accounting? Accounting is an art of recording business transactions in a simple manner. Okay, because in business transactions, a companies will transact. They have a lot of transactions, but they cannot record each and every transactions in a book of account, and they cannot show to the outsiders and shareholders this is the account. So we need to put in simpler manner. Okay, this is what. So as soon as you go to the college, okay, you take the accounts book, you will come to know debit and credit. So in myself, as in my people are my kids in kids in my home, that when they went to the college first day, they came saw debit credit. So finally, kids in the home, they were asking what is debit and credit. Okay, so I was not surprised. Okay, if you are not clear about what is debit and credit, so you cannot go further. Okay, one is debit and credit, then I'll go other items on the balance sheet, my dear friend. Okay, so let me be very clear. So I want in these videos, so I know that on colleges they will go through the books, they will explain everything, and finally you will study, you will mug up some time, and you will go and write. So I request whoever watching this video not to mug up, not to read, not to memorize. Okay, I want you to understand. Once you understand, whatever the question it comes in exams, you can easily pass out and solve the problem, my dear friend. And in case if you're going to company as a working professional, so if once you understand what are the terminologies, you can solve any problem. Okay, so debit, what is meant by debit and what is meant by credit? You would have seen in the book, debit the receiver, credit the giver. This make a note always. Debit nothing but in a common language, in a layman language, I will tell you. In case if you are paying anybody anything, you need to debit that person. Example, if you are paying 10,000 rupees to your friend, let's say you are Manoj, and your friend is, let's say, Sashi, you are paying 10,000 rupees. You need to debit Sashi 10,000 rupees. Okay, credit what? I just said debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay, so who is the giver? You are the giver. Okay, nothing but you need to be credited, but what you're giving the cash. Nothing but cash need to be credited. Okay, so what happens here? You will debit Sashi, a person whom you are giving. You will credit cash because it has gone through the cash. Okay, I hope this is clear. I'll repeat. Whatever item or money or expenses, anything, and again you will ask me what is expenses. I will come to that later. Whatever you are paying somebody, that is debit. Whatever you are receiving from somebody, it is credit. Okay, whomever you are paying anything, let it be cash, let it be any item or any laptop, mobile, etc., anything you are giving to somebody, debit that person. Simple, debit that person. Or if you are receiving something from someone, if you are getting cash from somebody, or getting mobile from somebody, or getting a rent from somebody, anything, credit that person. I hope this is clear. If not clear, please comment me in comment section, ask your question and doubt, I will clear it. Okay, I hope once we clear what is debit, what is credit, let me go to the next level. Debit all expenses, credit all incomes. What are expenses? Expenses means nothing but whatever expenses you are doing to running the business. Example, let's say that traveling expenses, you're paying traveling fees or convenience to your employees. Okay, or let's say salaries, you're paying salaries to your employees, you're debiting that. All these are expenses, so you're debiting it. Okay. What is credit then? What you will credit? Again, you'll go and credit bank or cash, because your all these expenses are borne by cash or bank. I hope this is clear. If these things are clear, I would like to go to the next topic, main 4 topics. Once those topics are clear, then I can go in depth. If these basic things are not clear, then friends, I cannot go ahead. So debit and credit is clear, expenses and incomes are clear. Now I want to go to the main heads, then I'll go to the in deep. Main head starting from assets. What are assets? Then second item comes liabilities. Okay. So you need to know again what are assets and liabilities. Again, this is related to first question, debit and credit. Assets are nothing but whatever you have with you. Let it be cash, let it be what you call bank balance, or let it be any investments, or let it be mobiles or laptops or office or furniture or buildings, etc., etc. These are assets. Or let's say again, you have paid something advance to somebody, or you have paid some money on a temporary basis to somebody, which you will get back in future. That's also asset. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now coming to liabilities. Liabilities, anything you are supposed to pay in future, tomorrow or future. Anything you are going to pay, that's liability. Or anything you have received but you are supposed to pay back to somebody, that is liability. Or you have received some funds with from somebody, or you have received cash from somebody, or you have received any goods from somebody. Okay, but you have not paid that person or that company, that's liability again. Okay, nothing but whatever you are supposed to pay some company, that's liability, and whatever you are supposed to receive, that is asset. And whatever you have currently items with you, that's asset. Whatever items you have but you are not paid to that value, that's called liability. So guys, this is the short video just to start off. I don't know if you really like it. If you really like it, then I will go step by step, line by line, transaction by transaction. Let's example, I will discuss on what is a P&L account, what is balance sheet, and what is debtors, what is creditors, what is prepayment account, what is deferral, what is revenue recognition, etc., etc. So if you like this short video, just like the hit button, and next if you have any specific questions, and if you want me to discuss on a specific topic, let me know. I will discuss on that specifically. Having said that, I will continue from basic to step by step anyway. That's a part. Okay, and share this video with your friends and your classmates and any other person who are looking for this information. And I'll be, since I said I'll be continuing this series. Okay, this is just this sample and one example. Okay, I'll be taking you through in detail. And also let me know if you want me to show in the blackboard or whiteboard, sorry, so that you will understand easily. Anyway, I'll try to put this snapshot in the screen so that you can go through that while I'm talking. Or whether you want on the blackboard or whiteboard, I will try to arrange that. And in case if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, because I will be continuing this series for a long time, okay, until I reach to the executive level or SME level. So that's all friends, today that's it, and until next video.